these are my Google Slides. Yay. And some of the Google Slides are exactly the same every single week. Every week, I'm going to set out a slide deck. It's going to look like this. And it's going to have slide number 1 will always be the date and probably like a little sentence like you're officially a middle schooler. Slide number 2 will always have my Zoom link and my cell phone number. Well, we are all my words are tripping. We are all connected on Google, on ClassDojo as well. Feel free to reach out to me there as well. The Zoom link will be at 8:30 every single day. And then slide number 3 is for your students. This is their assignments for the week, just to give them an overview of exactly what to do. Okay? So, I'm going to slide 1, 2, and 3 will always be those 3 slides. And then the last slide for the entire slide deck, will always be your personal slide. So the parent slide, this is a short slide deck because most of this week was spent figuring out technology, making sure we all were plugged in and everything was connected. But this is your parent checklist. Every single week, there will be a parent checklist at the end of the slideshow, okay? At the end of the slide deck. And you, at the end of every week, can check how your child is doing in my class and what they're doing by pulling this up. Actually, if you want, when they get it at the beginning of the week, get your phone, snap a picture, print it out, whatever works best for your organizational strategy. There will literally be a list of assignments, and they're all hyperlinked. So the IB Learner Profile slide, if I click, that's the Learner Profiles. And then how to make this slide is in Google Classroom, and it's named exactly the same. The first essay of the year, that's the actual directions for the essay. And then Our Birthday Doc is the crazy doc that we are trying to organize to make a list of all of our birthdays. You should be able to say, hey, child of mine, show me your IB Learner Profile slide. They should be able to go into their drive and show you their slide. They should be able to pull up their first essay of the year and hand it to you and show it to you. Remember, that's the essay I made the video about that you're not supposed to help with. So it just needs to be done. It doesn't have to be done perfectly, just done. Also, if you have me for B-Day, your child has not done the essay yet. They will not do it until Monday. And then you should be able to tell your child, hey, pull up the birthday doc. Where's your birthday? Show me. And you can see what a mess it is. The birthday doc started out as a good idea, but it's okay. So that is your slide. That's your list of exactly what to do with your child. This will be every week. It will have, the slide deck will come out at the beginning of the week. A new slide deck will come out next week. Our slide deck will have some of the same things. So it'll have the first essay of the year for B-Day and then all of the other assignments. It will get longer as we add more assignments to humanities and inquiry, and we build up their endurance for the academic rigor, as opposed to right now we're kind of still in tech rigor. It'll get a little bit longer. So let's talk about the middle slides. What's in there? So after slide 3, which is their checklist, slide 4 is Monday, Tuesday. This is going to have a list of exactly what we did. And honestly, what we did was figure out how to get on Zoom, figure out how to handle our schedule, figure out everything that we need to know. Most of Monday and Tuesday was all tech. Wednesday and Thursday, we got a little bit more structured. We're attending the Zoom meeting and we're starting an assignment. And the assignment was the IB Learner Profile Google slide. And that's what we did Wednesday and Thursday. I want to really focus on the Friday, Monday slide because I hope you can see that even with the slides, I try to start with, okay, I'm really holding your hand and I'm really helping you and let's just all do it together. I'll do some of it for you. And now, okay, you got to figure out some of it yourself. And at this point, this is what the slides will look like from now on. Number 1, do this. Number 2, do this. Number 3, do this. And sometimes there'll be a number 4 and a number 5. Also, there might be a couple of slides. It'll indicate how many slides there are on the slide, if there's more, because eventually there'll be an ELA lesson plan, a humanities lesson plan, and an inquiry lesson plan. So for Friday and for Monday, their job is to click and watch this video. And the video is me talking to them and explaining the assignment. The assignment, I can't watch 2 of me. The assignment is the essay that we talked about, that I made the video for you about. And this will take them straight into the essay for the Google Classroom to write their essay and come to the Zoom meeting. I want to put that in your pocket because we're going to talk about that in just a second. And then at the end is your parent checklist. So that's our slideshow. On Monday, there will be a slideshow for next week. Every week there will be a slideshow. Some of the slideshows are going to be, they're going to grow. We're going to have ELA and history and inquiry just for your own personal pace. We should be at a full capacity workload by week 3. During week 2, there's going to be some testing going on. Week 1, we really had to do a lot of troubleshooting. So by the end of week 3, we should be at full capacity as far as how much the workload is. As always, please stay in contact with me if you have any questions. I apologize profusely that this is such a long video. I just wanted to teach you the procedures of class so that, like I said, communication, in my opinion, is the key. So with that, if you have any questions, I look forward for, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me a message on Class Dojo. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you relax a little bit before the weekend. Oh, one last thing, just in case I didn't already talk about it. The video. Monday, some of you are going to need to pick up textbooks during class time. So I have, Mr. Melendres and I have spent a lot of time trying to troubleshoot what could potentially become a problem and streamline and be on the same page as much as possible. So one of the things that we saw that might be a problem is some of you pick up textbooks during first and second period class and you're going to miss the Zoom meeting, or at least part of the Zoom meeting. That's okay. So this is the answer. I am going to this weekend create a video to teach the lesson that I was going to talk about in Zoom, and I am going to post it. If you have to go to pick up your textbooks from between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m., your child can watch the video and answer the questions embedded in the video. And that way they don't feel super stressed about, I'm going to miss class, but I need my textbook, and I don't want any stress, especially about logistical things. So I need, if your child doesn't have to pick them up until after 10, then by all means, please come to the Zoom meeting. It's more fun when we get to do it together instead of watching videos, as I'm sure you're getting tired of me right now. So just so you know, if you're feeling stressed about Monday morning, I got that taken care of. Haven't made the video yet. I'm going to put it with the Zoom link on the Google slide, and it will be explained on the Google slide. I hope you guys have a great week. Had a great week. I hope some of the stress is starting to dissipate and we're starting to get into some good routines. I look forward to talking to you all soon. Please reach out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.